We've all been there. The tossing and turning, the endless sheep counting, the frustration of a sleepless night. But fear not, weary warriors. Today we're ditching the melatonin and diving into 10 natural, delicious drinks that can lull you into dreamland faster than you can say goodnight. So grab your mug, dim the lights, and get ready to discover the secret to unlocking the gates of slumber. Drink number 1, the calming chamomile. This herbal superstar is like a warm hug for your nervous system. Chamomile boasts calming properties that reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, making it the perfect bedtime buddy. Steep a bag in hot water, breathe in the soothing aroma, and drift off to a land of chamomile-infused dreams. Drink number 2, the Sleepy Time smoothie. Forget sugary nightcaps. This smoothie is your new sleep BFF. Blend some banana, rich in potassium and magnesium, spinach packed with vitamin K, and a dollop of almond butter, healthy fats for sustained energy, to create a powerhouse of sleep-inducing nutrients. Bonus points for adding tart cherries. Known for their melatonin content, drink number 3, the Golden Milk Marvel. This ancient Ayurvedic drink is more than just trendy. It's a sleep-inducing elixir. Warm up some milk, dairy, or plant-based. Add a pinch of turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory, a dash of cinnamon for blood sugar regulation, and a sprinkle of nutmeg for a touch of warmth. Sip this golden glow and watch your worries melt away. Drink number 4, the Lavender Latte Love. Lavender isn't just for sachets, it's a sleep-inducing one. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, diluted in a carrier oil, to your warm latte. The calming scent and gentle aroma will lull you into a state of serene slumber. Remember, less is more with essential oils, so start with a tiny drop. Drink number 5, the Honey Lemon Hush. This simple yet powerful drink is like a soothing whisper for your mind and body. Warm a glass of water, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a dollop of honey. The honey's natural sweetness promotes serotonin production, while the lemon's vitamin C aids relaxation. It's a simple symphony of sleep-inducing goodness. Drink number 6, the Valerian Root Ritual. This herb might not sound familiar, but it's a natural sleep aid with a long history. Valerian root tea has calming properties that reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep. Just be sure to consult with your doctor before consuming it, as it may interact with certain medications. Drink number 7, the Warm Ginger Delight. Ginger isn't just for nausea. This spicy root boasts calming properties that can ease tension and promote relaxation. Grate some fresh ginger into hot water. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and a touch of honey for a soothing bedtime beverage. The warmth will also help you unwind and prepare for sleep. Drink number 8, the Sleepy Time Tart Cherry Juice. This tart and tangy juice isn't just delicious, it's packed with melatonin, the natural sleep hormone. Enjoy a small glass of pure tart cherry juice before bed, and let its natural sleep-inducing properties work their magic. Drink number 9, the Sleepy Time Matcha Magic. Matcha might be known for its energy boost, but did you know it can also promote relaxation? L-theanine, an amino acid in matcha, has calming properties that can ease anxiety and promote restful sleep. Enjoy a warm cup of matcha latte before bed, but be sure to choose a decaffeinated version. Drink number 10, the Hydrate and Sleep Hack. This one might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Dehydration can disrupt sleep, so ensure you're well hydrated throughout the day. Sip on water before bed, but avoid large quantities to avoid bathroom breaks. Remember, a hydrated body is a happy, sleepy body. There you have it, 10 delicious natural drinks to help you kiss your sleepless nights goodbye. Make these drinks a part of your bedtime ritual and watch your sleep patterns improve. Don't forget, healthy sleep habits like a regular sleep schedule and a relaxing bedtime routine are also essential for optimal snooze.